Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield, and tonight is the third part of the pronunciation series. And these three videos are going to help you answer the question that will be posted in the contest tonight. So right after I finish this contest, this video, this one, I will post the question in the contest, and I'm going to, of course, those of you who are registered to the contest will also receive an email announcing you about the posting of the second question. Remember, I just want to reiterate the fact that you can answer this question anytime, these questions anytime. So if now we are in the question 2, that doesn't mean that you can't still answer question number 1. So it's not about, oh my God, question 1, number 1 it's gone now. I have no chance at winning. I have people who came on board to this contest very late and they answered everything, and it's perfectly fine. It is important though that you take advantage of the fact that this contest takes its time. It is important to make sure that you know, you follow, it is science behind my madness, meaning the reason I am posting these videos every day or every other day, the questions are coming in a certain order, and don't beat yourself up for not being able to do it. I know it's a busy time of the year. That's the reason I'm not doing everyday questions like I used to. And you have so much time to really, whenever you have time, you pop on in the contest and participate. But if you can, as much as you can, I invite you to participate as regularly as possible, because that's going to bring you a ton of progress. Now, if you don't, I know that this is, you know, most of the people that I work with are very, very, very busy business people, and so am I, and I know exactly what that lifestyle looks like and feels like, and we kind of have a gift of being so finding ways to being very efficient, and so I trust that a lot. So don't beat yourself up for not being very regular in this contest. Do participate, do sign up, and enjoy it, because it's fun. It's a lot of fun. So this question number 2 is going to be about pronunciation, because you asked me for pronunciation rules, and so it is about how do we spell the sound "e" in French. And it's the sound "e", just like the sound that it sounds like in the word egg, in the English word egg. And it's not "a", it's not, right, it's "e". And what is a little confusing for the Anglophones is that not everybody's Anglophone here. Everybody is fluent in English, which is like a prerequisite to be part of this group. But not everybody has English as their mother tongue. And so, and that is really important to know. But Anglophones have a particular ear to vowels. And in English, vowels are shorter than in French. And so I invite you to sing your vowels a little more, develop them, you know. And so notice that I'm not saying "a", I'm saying "e", and that is something a little harder to do for the Anglophones. So I'm going to, this is my introduction to the most important lesson of it all about pronunciation, is that no matter how long, short, closed up or open a vowel is in French, it does not change the meaning of the word. So if we have longer "a" or a shorter "a", a closed up or an open "a", it doesn't matter for the meaning of the word, okay? So important. And The only thing that is really important, that matters in the meaning of the word is not to say e instead of and instead of e. So that's the key, okay? Other than that, it doesn't matter how long or short. And they will become natural. You will be natural at making them longer, shorter, or however it is that sounds better and it's easier as you start to speak a little smoother, a little more fluid, okay? So I'm going to recap. No, actually, let me give you the tip for today. So the fifth way to spell the sound e in French is something that not many people consider as a rule, and it's really important. And so is the letter E followed by two consonants. And I'm going to give you one example that it's really something that you will remember is restaurant, restaurant. We never say restaurant. We always say restaurant. And why do we say that? Because after the letter E, we have S and T. We have two consonants. And because of that, we pronounce E and not E. So that is huge, important. Now, we do have some exceptions to this, but I found with my clients that it may be a little confusing, and so I'm going to keep it on the side for other webinars or down the road. I'm not going to get into this for this question number 2, but just remember this, that E followed by two consonants is pronounced E, just like in the word egg. So this is the fifth type of spelling of the sound E in French, and I'm going to recap now all of them. So the first one is E with any of the 3 accents. I'm not going to include tréma or umlaut to this because sometimes that doesn't change, actually it doesn't change the sound, okay? So it's a separate kind of accent. Don't consider that as an accent. The cédille also, the little comma under the letter C, cédille, that's not an accent either. I'm not considering it as an accent. So we want to really simplify a lot, right? So accents are the 3. Aigu, which is pointy, goes up from left to right. Aigu. Grave, which means grave, right? So grave, that goes down from left to right. And circumflex, because your flex, it's a line that is flexed. So this is the first type of spelling. The second type of spelling, the sound E, is AI. AI is the, like examples, mais, vrai, les. And exception to this rule is the verb faire. Go back to video 2 where I'm explaining that in detail. The third type of spelling is EI, example neige. The fourth type of spelling is final EZ and final ER, like manger, ER, infinitive, and manger, EZ, vous mangez. And the fifth type of spelling of the sound E is what I just said, E followed by 2 consonants. So these are the rules. I'm going to now post question number 2 in the contest, contest, yeah. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see as many of you as possible in the joining. Thank you so much for the love, joining the contest, and looking forward to seeing you win it. And most of like everything during this month, I really want to see your progress. And so please give me your feedback, questions, anything that you want to tell me. I'm here for you. I'm in your corner, and I want to show you, and I want you to show everybody else. You're going to meet a lot of family this time of the year, how great, fast, and with so much fun and easy you can actually make progress in just a month of playing inside of a contest. Thank you so much for watching and for the love. I'm looking for, and for the answers in the contest. I'm looking forward to the next next days and the entire month that I'm going to spend with you and having fun. Thank you so much. À la prochaine et bonne nuit. Au revoir.